this, you have to go to this within 1 day. This result is of only 1 day, and I'll be sharing you how you do this with your account. As we'll discuss how to increase our watch time so that we can start earning in YouTube within 10 days. So this technique will also help you get some views and also some watch time. So let's start with any further delay. And as you can see, there's some contents here, and now you can see there's a analytics, and there's a 26 view count here. And now let's increase it. So the first step we'll do is that we'll go to your Chrome, we'll go to the history, and then clear browsing data. You can clear 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, on all time. Let's wait for 24 hours first. This will help you get signed out from your account. So now you can go to YouTube, and this is only applicable if you are signed out. So let's sign out first. Let's just sign out once or add account, create account. You can either do this or you can just sign out from all the accounts. That's it. And after you do that, you can just go to YouTube, type your channel's name, and then you'll have to make a playlist, which I've already done here. As you can see, this videos, all videos, you just go there, and you can close all other things for now. And this you can play back at a speed of 2, and also you'll need a good internet for this. So if you don't have such a good internet, you can do it in 480, or you can decrease the resolution. And once you're done, you can start duplicating them one by one until you have reached 10 to 11 tabs. If you have a faster internet, you can do more tabs at a time, so it's up to you. So after you do this, you can just keep on clicking it, and you can just wait. So make sure the time limit is not more than 1 hour, as if it's more than 1 hour, then YouTube will recognize the algorithm, and it won't count the views, and it will be just a waste of time. So make sure it's less than 1 hour. That's it. You just start, the video starts here, and simultaneously all the videos will start here, right? That's it. So after this, your views and your watch time both will increase. That will in turn give you within 10 days the result of 4,000 views, 4,000 watch time hours, and this will in turn make you applicable for monetization. Thank you friends, please do subscribe to the channel, and also hit the like button, and also please do turn on your notifications. Thank you.